The best way to follow along with this course is to install Dart on your local system. We won't actually be using Flutter in this course, but I'm assuming if you're learning Dart, it's because you want to learn Flutter. And when you install the Flutter SDK, it also automatically installs Dart on your system. If your goal is to learn Flutter, I'd recommend going to the Flutter install site and follow the install instructions for your system, whether it's macOS, Windows, or Linux. Now, if you're not interested in Flutter and just want to install Dart by itself, you can do that as well. It's available in package managers like Homebrew, so you can install it with the brew command, or Choco on Windows, or your favorite package manager on Linux. Once that's complete, you should have access to the Dart command from the command line. In this course, I'll be using version 2.14. You can check the version by running Dart flag version, and any version above 2 should be fine for this course. If you already have Dart installed from Flutter and want to upgrade to the latest version, you can run Flutter upgrade from the command line. Now that Dart's installed, go ahead and open up an editor like VS Code to an empty directory. If using VS Code, there is an extension for Dart language support, so you'll want to make sure to install that. As you go through this course, I'd recommend that you follow along in your own editor to get hands-on with the code. But you can also clone the full source code on GitHub, and you'll notice that every file in that repo corresponds to a video in this course, so I'll be referring to it frequently. And you can also find the code snippets below the video. The final thing I'll mention is that if you don't want to work through this course on your local system, there's a web-based tool called Dartpad, so feel free to code along in Dartpad if you prefer that approach.